I know you have wondered how computers can create stunning art, compose symphonies, or even write novels, so you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand generative AI, but you also might start questioning if your laptop is secretly a Picasso in disguise. So, grab your popcorn and let's dive into the whimsical world of generative AI. Generative AI, more commonly known as GenAI, because who doesn't love a good nickname, is a technology that allows computers to create unique and original content. It's like giving a computer a box of crayons, except it never goes out of the lines. Using deep learning algorithms, which are less about deep thoughts and more about deep data, generative AI can produce everything from realistic images and videos to music and even text. Yes, your computer could be the next Beethoven, and it doesn't even need to take piano lessons. The key players in this AI drama are the generator and the discriminator. The generator's job is to create content. Think of it as the imaginative kid in the class who's constantly doodling. Meanwhile, the discriminator is the skeptical teacher, trying to figure out which drawings are student-made and which are sneaky photocopies. Through a constant feedback loop, akin to an eternal game of artistic cat and mouse, the generator gets sneakier at fooling the discriminator. It's like a never-ending game of AI says, but with more pixels and less jumping around. This breakthrough technology has revolutionized various fields. Artists and designers now collaborate with AI to create visuals that make people say, "Wow, I can't even draw a stick figure." Imagine an AI composing symphonies. It's like having Mozart on a motherboard. Or consider the world of literature, where generative AI can help write novels. Who knows, maybe the next big literary hero will be a laptop named Larry. And it's not just art and music. Generative AI is making waves in healthcare, finance, and manufacturing. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Generative AI can be like a mischievous genie. Powerful, but you need to keep an eye on it. Copyright infringement and biases are real concerns. As we explore the endless and sometimes surprising possibilities of Gen AI, it's crucial to ensure responsible use. Generative AI is shaping the future of creativity, enabling machines to unleash their creative potential, and occasionally making us humans look a bit unoriginal. But hey, we're all in this together. And that's the end of our generative AI video, where the only thing we don't generate is boredom. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel for more tech content.